Hello, in this video we're going to explore how we can search efficiently in our Google Drive. Now, unless you're super organized and have really well structured folders for everything you do, then it may become difficult as you use Google Drive for a long period of time that it's more difficult to find files. Now, Google make this nice and easy by adding a search bar in here, which you can search for uh, file names. Now, that seems really straightforward and simple. That's assuming that you know what you've named the file. If you're anything like me, that might be problematic to try and remember what you named the file more than a year ago. So what we can do is we can actually use this little extended advanced search or an extended filter, which allows us to search by type and by owner. So for example, if I know I've created a presentation on Google Slides a year ago that I want to reuse, but I also want to edit, you can filter by presentation. You can also filter by the owner, so if it's you or if it's someone else that has created it within a shared drive. And you can even include words, item names, location, so if that's your drive, a shared drive, in the bin, if it's starred. And also you can add things like the dates that it's been modified. So if you know what, for example, what kind of time you did it, maybe it was an Easter presentation, maybe around that area of time, you can search by that. So it's nice and easy. We're just going to filter by presentations for now, and you'll see that all of the files on my home page now change only to Google Slide presentations. Depending on how many Google Slide presentations you have, I've got quite a few, will depend on how long this takes to load. So you can see that it's filtered by these presentations now. What you can do is it then gives you the search results, but it gives you all the filters here as well, so you can actually add this. So maybe, for example, it's not in this first homepage of presentations. You can add multiple other filters, and you can clear the filters to research based on what you want to do. So this happens. This happens in your homepage. It happens in your drive. You can see here, and anywhere you can find this search bar, it will also give you this advanced search option, which is really helpful when you've lost something that's going to be super useful.